Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A rustic, cozy outdoor fire pit area, featuring a repurposed shipping container cabin nestled amidst lush tropical foliage. The container, with a weathered, rusty orange exterior, is accented by string lights draped over the corrugated metal roof. The deck is made of reclaimed wood planks, a warm, rich brown tone. A large fire pit, made of rusted metal, is central, with a vibrant orange flame dancing within. Brown leather sectional sofa with throw pillows in plaid and other ethnic patterns, and wicker armchairs surrounding the fire pit, all bathed in the warm, golden hues of the setting sun. The lush tropical background is full of vivid green foliage and palm trees. A sunny, coastal, outdoor patio scene featuring a shipping container home. A spacious wooden deck extends from the container, overlooking a vast expanse of ocean. The bright, vivid blue of the water contrasts with the lush, green foliage and grassy area below. A variety of plants and shrubs, some with vibrant purple or pink flowers, are situated on the deck and in the landscape. The container home itself is a warm, burnt orange color. The interior features a minimalist kitchen area with wooden countertops and light gray bar stools. A long rustic wooden table extends outside the container. Fruit is placed in a rustic basket. The deck is made of light brown wooden planks. A hyper-realistic, eye-level aerial shot of a modern, sustainable treehouse nestled within a dense, lush rainforest. The treehouse, constructed from shipping containers, is elevated on metal supports reaching into the foliage, providing a large open deck with a wooden floor and a glass-enclosed living area. Solar panels are prominently displayed on the roof of the structure, positioned to maximize sunlight capture. The colors are rich and vibrant, showcasing the deep greens of the surrounding tropical vegetation and the warm earth tones of the building's material, including metallic supports and light brown/tan decking. A modern, minimalist, multi-level luxury home nestled within a lush tropical rainforest. Hyper-realistic render. The dwelling is constructed from dark steel and glass, featuring large windows offering expansive views of the surrounding greenery. The building structure is composed of interlocking containers, creating a unique architectural aesthetic and blending seamlessly with the forest backdrop. The home has various levels, including a first floor with a wooden deck connected to a shimmering teal swimming pool. Interior spaces have warm, natural tones, with exposed beams and wooden furnishings complementing the neutral color palette. The deck area includes comfortable seating and a dining area. A second story offers more sleeping and living space. A spacious, open-plan living area seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces. An assortment of container-style buildings, with a rusty orange hue, form a modern architectural structure, constructed with exposed industrial-style metal beams and supports. The interior is bright, with a concrete floor and muted earth tones. There's a large orange-brown sofa, a wooden dining table, and assorted seating. Full of plants, including ferns and palm trees, and a striking spiral staircase. The overall impression is of a contemporary, tropical retreat. Show detailed textures like leaves and the wooden surfaces. A derelict, elevated shipping container cabin nestled amongst a sparse, sun-drenched Australian outback landscape. High-angle, slightly bird's-eye view, showcasing a grey metal shipping container home with a contemporary wooden deck extension. The deck has a modern metal railing, comfortable outdoor furniture and a daybed. A bed with a white linen duvet is visible inside the container, partially open to the outside deck space. The setting is dry, dusty, and largely low-lying scrub and trees, with a light golden brown/beige color palette. Soft shadows are cast by the trees and the sun is likely near the horizon, giving a warm golden/orange glow to the scene, the trees, and the light. The overall aesthetic is sleek minimalism with a touch of rusticity. A spacious, modern living room with large glass sliding doors showcasing a scenic mountain vista. The interior features warm, natural tones, light wood floors, a light beige couch, and a muted orange-brown armchair. A woven area rug adds texture and interest. The sliding glass doors lead to a wooden deck, providing an indoor-outdoor flow. A light beige sofa in the living room blends seamlessly with off-white accents. A wooden wall section separates the living area from the kitchen, which is crafted from light brown wood. The scene is bathed in natural daylight, casting warm, golden hues across the space. Impressionist style, but with detailed rendering of textures, wood, fabric, glass. A modern, minimalist house nestled within a lush forest setting. The house features a dark gray metal frame with a light reddish-brown wooden roof overhang. Large windows of glass fill the structure, showcasing the surrounding trees. A glass railing is visible on a second-story deck. The house and its deck are connected to a wooden patio area surrounded by various types of plants, shrubs, and foliage in greens, grays, and browns. Several tall, light gray eucalyptus trees stand prominently in the foreground and background, contrasted beautifully against the dark exterior of the house. The lighting suggests a sunny day, casting soft dappled shadows throughout the forest. A modern, minimalist shipping container home nestled within a natural, grassy landscape. Hyper-realistic rendering. Full daylight scene with a partly cloudy sky. The home is dark gray metal, with light brown wooden accents on the roof and interior. Large glass panels allow for a panoramic view of the surrounding trees and grass. A wooden deck extends from the home, surrounded by tall grasses and wildflowers. A light beige/cream colored daybed and a light gray lounge chair are situated on the deck. The interior of the home feels airy and spacious with natural wood interior walls and a simple living area. The setting is rural or in a park with mature trees, lush greenery, and a mix of various grasses. A modern, multi-level container home nestled amongst trees. Hyper-realistic rendering of a structure composed of stacked shipping containers, clad in a warm orange-brown, with dark gray metal framing and glass. Large windows offer views of the surrounding foliage. The glass has a slightly reflective quality, showing the surrounding trees. A glass railing spans the upper level, providing a balcony-like area. The roof is a burnt orange-brown with dark gray metal trim and eaves. Several trees surround the structure, with varying shades of green and yellow leaves, creating depth and a natural setting. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting light and shadow on the scene. A lush, tropical courtyard garden within a modern, container home-style building. High contrast. The containers are dark gray/black with warm, reddish-brown wooden accents on the windows and decking. Many varieties of tropical plants and palm trees. A small, artificial stone water feature and pond. Gravel pathways and decking. Impressionistic rendering of the plants and light, hyperrealistic detailing on the buildings and wooden elements. Natural sunlight filters through the greenery and shines on the wooden structures. Warm earthy tones of browns, greens, and grays. Focus on the interplay of light and shadow. Two-story structure with multiple levels. A contemporary, orange shipping container home nestled on a grassy hillside. The house is constructed from repurposed shipping containers, with solar panels covering the roof. A wooden deck extends from the front of the structure, supported by rustic wooden beams. Large windows offer expansive views of the surrounding landscape. The scene is set against a backdrop of rolling hills and a clear, light blue sky. The grassy hillside is a mix of greens and browns, with various types of low-lying shrubs and bushes scattered throughout. Trees are visible in the background, adding depth to the image. The overall aesthetic is sustainable and modern. A vibrant, colorful, and artistic urban setting featuring stacked shipping containers transformed into a multi-level building. The containers are adorned with vibrant murals and graffiti in a variety of colors, including bright blues, pinks, oranges, yellows, and reds. The style is expressive and somewhat impressionistic, with bold lines and dynamic compositions. The building has multiple levels with balconies and outdoor seating areas. Palm trees and other tropical plants are scattered throughout, providing a lush tropical vibe. The scene has a sunny, outdoor feel with a clear blue sky with some clouds overhead. The lighting is bright and natural. The textures of the containers and the plants are somewhat detailed, but not hyper-realistic. A modern, luxury, mid-century inspired home built from shipping containers. Hyper-realistic style. The structure is multi-level and intricately arranged, with large expanses of floor-to-ceiling glass windows and balconies. The colors are predominantly dark steel gray, rust orange, and light beige for the container walls, complemented by muted tones in the interior furnishings, like warm creams and grays. Natural light streams into the spaces, with the exterior being lit by twilight blue sky, casting a serene ambience. Tall trees are visible on the right side of the image. The exterior includes a rooftop terrace with planters and a modern fire pit area next to a swimming pool.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.